How to cancel Expedia flight booking. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can cancel your flight booking on Expedia, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you happen to book a flight on Expedia and now you would like to cancel it, just remember that it actually depends upon the cancellation policy. If the flight from where you booked the flight actually has a cancellation policy for up to 24 hours or within 24 hours, you can cancel them within the 24 hours of your booked period. Otherwise, you will not be able to do this. Now, in order to do this, you can just try opening the Expedia application that you can find here. And once you launch the Expedia app, you're going to be able to set this type of interface. What you can do is from the bottom of the screen, you can just come to your trip section and you should be able to see the flight that you have booked. In case you don't find it, you can just tap on the find your booking option over here and make sure to simply use your itinerary number in order to find your booking, and after that you should be able to cancel them if only it is eligible for a cancellation. Now if it is not eligible for a cancellation, then in that case you have to pay a certain amount of fee and you will not be able to do it yourself. You have to contact the customer care of Expedia in order to do this process for you. For this, come to the accounts icon from the bottom right of the screen here and then simply go to the option called help and feedback. Once you come to the option called help and feedback, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where you need to wait a couple of seconds until this loads up. Go to the help section, call the Expedia customer representative. After that, they should be able to help you as to how you can cancel your flight booking. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.